Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Toyota 86, stock number 6340. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2021. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front aftermarket 18-inch wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear aftermarket 18-inch wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,